Hello. Welcome to my newest video. Today we're going to be unboxing this Apple MagSafe charger. Go ahead and open it up. Comes in this packaging. It's good as always, as Apple packages always are. Let's fold these things up. Remove it like this. Okay, so you see, designed by Apple in California. We open it up in this style, and then we have the actual charger itself. So I'll just go ahead and remove these two little tabs here, and then get this opened, and then get that out, lift that up, and actually, how do we do this? I think, we have to how do we get this charger out anyways? This is confusing. Do we have to pull it like that? And then here we go, here's our charger. And lift that out of there. Good. Now, you have the charger itself. Let's see what else we have in the packaging. So we have our typical, it's empty now, so we can put that over there. Typical Apple books, all that sort of stuff. We have these, and this. Nothing too exciting. Basically, it's just showing you how to do that. So now I'm going to go ahead and charge my iPhone, and we'll see how that works.